Man-made masterpieces. Blenheim Palace, UK. In 18th century England, Queen Anne ordered a palace to be built as a gift for John Churchill, a celebrated war hero who won the Battle of Blenheim. Work began in 1705, and the palace was completed in 1722. It was the grandest project of its age, and one of the first buildings created in the English Romantic style of architecture. Blenheim Palace is located inside an enormous park, landscaped by the famous designer Capability Brown. Visitors are welcome to stroll around the grounds and see the Great Lake and the ancient oak trees, which are almost 1,000 years old. A lot of the palace's 187 rooms are open to the public, with a huge collection of paintings and furniture from the past. The current Duke and Duchess have their privacy, though, in a 4-story section of the palace with 46 rooms, including 12 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. The Mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yazawi, Kazakhstan. Timur was a military leader who founded the Timurid Empire, which stretched from modern-day Turkey in the west to Pakistan in the east. Timur was more than a fierce warrior, however. He loved art and architecture and was very religious. One of his greatest projects was rebuilding the mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yazawi, poet and wise man who died in 1166. Construction began in 1389, but stopped when Timur died in 1405. The project was never finished, but it is still a beautiful example of 12th century architecture. The structure has 35 rooms, including the mausoleum and a mosque, and is covered by the largest dome of its kind in Central Asia. Visitors can see the original paintings and tiles on the walls inside. The mausoleum of Khoja Ahmed Yazawi is not only a fascinating example of Timurid architecture, but also a popular site for pilgrims and tourists.